I almost went a whole week without reading about any truck driver doing something stupid while intoxicated. But couldn't quite get through it. This time it was a woman in West Virginia. She was drunk and decided to run from police. And we have some video of it. Well, as I seem to be saying every week, I am sick and tired of doing these videos, but I'm going to keep doing them just to get word out there that this is not okay. It is just not okay to drink and drive, an 80,000-pound weapon. I'm just going to read the article here. I got it up here. A Texas woman is in a West Virginia jail today, charged with evading law enforcement between the wheel of a semi-truck. Now, I'm going to butcher this name here because I don't know how to say it. I even looked up some pronunciation websites. Nobody seems to know how to say this. And before we get into everybody throwing out the racial comments about this and that, she is Hawaiian. I did find that out. She's from Honolulu, Hawaii, so she is an American. Her name is, and I'll put it down below here, but it's Nellie Logateo Thuning. I don't know. But anyway, she's 53 years old from West Columbia, Texas, and is charged with a single count of fleeing while DUI and felony. She will likely face an array of more charges. It's crazy how this got started. She was accused of hitting a passenger vehicle in Clarksburg. I understand it was right around 79 and 50. I actually was just through there because I went down 79, delivered in Bridgeport, West Virginia, went across to Davisville on 50. So I'm a little bit familiar with the area. Apparently it happened on 50 at 79. But she was accused of hitting a passenger vehicle and fleeing the scene. Then she pulled into a gas station, which was a small gas station in the town of Quiet Dell, West Virginia. It was actually 7-Eleven. And she got into an altercation with another individual. When police arrived, she got back in her truck and sped out of the parking lot and back onto I-79. Now, this isn't totally true, and there's video of this, and I'm going to play it here. Before I play it, you're going to see her take off. She's going to back up, take off down this road that's actually a dead-end road. Somehow down there, she turns around, and you'll see her come back, swing around, and get back on 79. So let's watch that video.
That's okay, let her for
So that's pretty crazy. Though it says as she got on 79, other law enforcement joined the pursuit. When she crossed the Lewis County line, the Lewis County Sheriff's Department was waiting there with spike strips, and they spiked her. They said it was a successful deploy of stop sticks to take out her tires. The flattened tires caused the big rig to flip over on the passenger side. But Wayne Bright said that Thuning, if that's her name, was in no way ready to give up. Let's show a video of the truck rolled over from another, passerby. So they said she wasn't ready to give up. When they got to the truck, she was trying to kick out the sunroof. Remember, it's laying on its side. It's a Volvo condo, so they all have the sunroof way up top. So now she'd be on the side. So trying to get out the sunroof. It says she was trying to kick out the sunroof to get out when deputies got her out of the cab. She was combative and less than cooperative. She was cursing at law enforcement and sharing her disdain for law enforcement. But other than that, there was nothing to indicate her frame of thought at that time. Does go on to say there was numerous bottles, open bottles of alcohol in the truck, and that she was intoxicated. We do not have her. I guess she didn't do a breathalyzer, but they did get a warrant for her blood, but that hasn't been released yet. She is being held in North Central Regional Jail in lieu of $25,000 cash only bond. So here's the other interesting part. She was actually hauling alcohol. It didn't say what she was hauling. I've hauled alcohol before, and I didn't realize this procedure in an accident because I've never had an accident while hauling alcohol. But she had a whole load of alcohol, which means that the West Virginia Liquor Control Board has to get involved and oversee the cleanup, all of which needs to be destroyed. So apparently this took quite a while. So, yeah. So here we go again. Somebody else acting stupid. And even worse this time, it was a female truck driver, which means she not only made truck drivers look bad, she made female truck drivers look bad. And female truck drivers have been fighting to get to the top. You know, they're finally, I really feel like in the last 10 to 15 years, they're finally getting a hold of being equal. When we see them at truck stops, you know, they're another truck driver with us. I have a lot of friends, you know, I'm with Landstar. I have a lot of female friends that are truck drivers, and they deserve the same respect. But all this woman did was, you know, make not only truck drivers look bad, but also female truck drivers look bad. So, really a shame. She's off the road. I looked into her Facebook a little bit. It seems like she has a happy home life, you know, pictures with children. Yeah, I guess that's all over. I also looked back at some, I couldn't figure out what company she drives for now, but I looked at some of her past employment, and she went to school to be a crane operator and was a crane operator for a while. I don't know who she was working for here, but whatever. She's off the road, and so thank you, however you pronounce her name, for, you know, making truck drivers, and especially female truck drivers, look bad. You are a disgrace to our industry, and we're glad you're off the road. So guys, yeah, that's about all I got for this one. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Comment. I read all the comments. I'm actually a little bit behind on comments right now, but I got to catch up to them and respond back. If not, you can email me if you want, finchresources@gmail.com. And you can also find me on Facebook or Instagram under the Trucking Resources name. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.